everybody, welcome back to my channel. The recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you today is chicken soup. All the ingredients will be listed down in the description bar below. Any items that I can link for you, I will link for you below. If you like this video and would like to see more of them, please give me a big old like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Let's get started. The ingredients today for the soup are, I like to use chicken thighs. It's up to you. You can use the chicken breast, but you're just going to have less cooking time with that. But I just prefer the chicken thighs. Okay, we have the chicken thighs, we have the onion, I have a little bit of zucchini squash, some celery, some carrots, and I have some chicken stock, some cumin, some ground pepper, and a little bit of salt. Okay guys, we're going to get started. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of oil to the skillet. Not too much, just a little bit. What we're going to do is we're going to brown up the chicken. I've already put a little bit of salt until this is a little warm, or hot, not warm. And this recipe, you can easily cut it in half or double it. Okay. Here we go. Put the chicken in. I put the skin sides down first because basically that's where I like to get the flavor from, is from the chicken skin. And I've already washed it and trimmed it and everything. And I put a little bit of pepper on the chicken. And this is going to take about 7 minutes per side for this part. It's been approximately 6 minutes at this point, and it just gave the chicken skin a little color. We're going to flip them and continue to brown on the other side. Okay, we have the other side browned, and now we're going to remove the chicken pieces so that we could saute our vegetables and get the second layer of flavor going here. What I forgot to mention earlier was I do add garlic. So I minced up 2 garlic cloves. Okay, here goes the onion. The carrot. The celery, the carrots, and we're going to hold off on the garlic. We're going to put a little bit of salt and the cumin. Oops, too much. Just about a 1/4 teaspoon, not too much. And the pepper. Layer your seasonings as you go. Okay, you're going to sweat these for about 5 or 6 minutes before adding the garlic and the zucchini. And I did forget to mention, I do add potato. But the potato goes last because that only takes about 10 minutes after you put it in to cook. The carrots take much longer. We're going to add the garlic. And that just takes but a minute. Don't want to burn that garlic. Zucchini. Oops, gotta run away. Okay, at this point, we put the chicken parts back in there and any juice. we're going to put the chicken broth in. You can use chicken broth, you can use the water. I personally like to use all chicken stock or chicken broth, but you can use water. I just like it tasting with the chicken flavoring. Now, I like to add some chicken bouillon flavor. I know it seems like a lot of chicken flavoring, but that's just what I like. And then that's it for now. You're going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, till the chicken is completely cooked. And then you chop up your potatoes and some cilantro at the very end. And that's it. See you back in a... Okay guys, we're going to add the potatoes. I've already added the cilantro in there. And we're just going to let that cook for about 15 minutes. And that pretty much cooks the potato where I like it. Boy, that looks delicious. Okay, be back in a few. Okay guys, this is ready. Turning off the fire. Look at that. Beautiful soup for a nice cold day like today. And if this can be stored, if you don't finish it, family doesn't finish it, it can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. And like I said, if you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more, give me a big old like. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. See you next time, guys. Bye.